In this video, I'm telling you why the law of attraction is not working for you.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And those of you who are new here, hi, I'm AJ. I'm a law of attraction coach, and I help people make their life awesome using the power of subconscious mind and the law of attraction. And right now, I'm in the Himalayas, in the beautiful Kulu Valleys, and we are having a fun time here. So many of you keep asking me, like, AJ, why the law of attraction is not working for me? Because I share so many videos and so many people are manifesting their goals, desires, and dreams, but at the same time, so many others are not able to manifest. And these questions keep coming up, like why the law of attraction is not working for me. And here is your answer. The number one reason the law of attraction is not working for you is lack of belief. You are not able to keep belief on itself. That is why you know the process. Ask, believe, and receive. So the belief is completely missing. You want to manifest your goals, desires, and dreams, but you don't have faith on it. You don't have faith in yourself. You don't have faith in the law of attraction. That is why you get stuck. Even if you want to create success, even if you want to manifest your desires, you are not able to move forward. And because of the lack of belief, every day you try to do a new process, you try to do some new techniques, you try to read a new book. And when you keep trying new things every single day, you never build up the momentum to achieve anything. For example, if you keep digging a new hole every day, can you dig a bigger well so that you can find the water? The answer is no. If you are climbing a mountain, if you every day you just climb 100 steps from one side and next day you climb 100 steps from other side, can you reach the top? The answer is no. How can you reach the top? You will be keep climbing the same path every day and keep moving forward. That is the key. So when you start applying the law of attraction, you have to have faith, you have to have belief, and then you start applying the processes. And moreover, you have nothing to lose. So give yourself 1 month, 3 months time, and put all your heart and soul, all your positive energy. Do the processes with so much of enthusiasm, so much of gratitude, so much of joy that things start moving forward. Because at the end, it's your life. If you don't put that much of positive momentum, how can you achieve your dreams? And like the way you are watching my videos and you keep learning many things, at the end, so many of you doubt it. And those people who are doubting it, you are not achieving. Those who are achieving, they are having faith, belief, and they are doing it the best with all positivity. So that is the difference. You have nothing to lose, my friend. You don't have to do anything. You have to just invest your time and energy in doing the practices for whom? For your dreams. Remember, when you achieve your dreams, who is the person who will be most benefited? Me? The answer is no. Your family? The answer is no. It's you. That is why you have to keep believing and keep practicing. And when you do it with all your faith and belief, magic started happening in your life. So thank you, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, and I believe those of you who are not able to manifest, this video is an eye opener for you. Remember, if you have to climb the mountain, you have to follow the same path and keep progressing. That is the key. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you want to learn more tools and processes, you can join my program, Make Your Life Awesome. Thank you.